All right, if you're a course creator, a coach or consultant, or anybody that's creating an info product or trying to sell a course, I want to talk about the biggest mistake we see these people making. What happens is people come to us with a course that they've spent a lot of time and energy, and they've done a fantastic job putting the course together and putting the content together. And a lot of times they're coming to us because they're struggling with the marketing and the sales piece. But what we end up finding out is the thing that they're trying to sell isn't what their audience wants. So as you can imagine, they probably spent months working on this thing, sometimes even years, to then put it out to the market and finding out that's not what they actually want. So what we've been doing is we've been taking a step back, and what we're doing is we're validating their offer, validating their course before they go to sell it. That's actually a little bit of a long process, so I can't go into detail on this video. But we do have a course on that. It's called Offer Testing Frameworks, shameless plug here. But the way we do this is we start brainstorming a bunch of ideas, coming with some different course ideas, and we're running ads and testing that with the market to find out what they really want and what they'll actually pay for. And a lot of times we'll actually even do pre-sales. So we'll pre-sell the course and actually, make them get their credit card out and buy the thing before you create anything. So whenever you do this and you validate it, we also look at all the metrics to make sure that whatever you are selling is scalable and will be profitable. And whenever you're going to build this course now, you actually that people are actually going to buy it. So a lot of times you'll put more time and energy into making sure that course content is done right and done perfect for your audience. But it's also much easier to commit to building out that course or that info product, knowing that it's already been validated and people want it. So again, we created an offer testing framework. I'll put the link below in the description, shameless plug here, to really help people validate their offers. And it's only $27. And I'm telling you, this will save you so much time, so much energy before you build anything, and it works. We've been using it with all of our clients, and we've been able to validate offers before they build anything. And looking at the metrics, we have a calculator that shows you what metrics to look at, looking at those metrics to see if whatever you're trying to sell will actually work and be profitable with your audience, again, before you build anything. So appreciate you sticking around with this video. If you want to get more videos like this, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I appreciate you sticking around. Thank you.